Laura from Goldstar Work here. Now, today I want to play with my sweet Shoppe BH Cosmetics palettes. Yesterday I played with this one, the red one, cherry on top. And today I have to decide which one I want to use this time. So, let's have a look. This orange one. Pink one. Green one. And the blue one. In theory I'm wearing navy blue, so I should probably go with the blue one, but I don't know whether that's what I want to do. You can't decide. I think I'm gonna go with the orange one. This plastic out. So I'm gonna go with this one, which is orange sorbet. Orange sorbet sounds really nice. Look at those beautiful colours. And I have gripped my eyes, and it's summer here and it's hot. Yeah, I have got my microphone on, and you might be able to hear my fan going at my feet because it's hot. And I've just taken the dog for a walk, so I'm extra hot. I'm going to go in with Tangerine. Look at that beautiful orange. I feel like I should probably have a go swatching some of these against the Colourpop ones in the orange palette to see if they're similar. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. It is a beautiful colour. I love that colour. Well, it's orange, of course I love it, but I do love it. And then I think I might go into a smaller brush. Which brush do I want to use? I'll use this one. What is this? Simply Essentials EO3. And I'm going to go into Zest, which is another beautiful orange. And definitely a difference in those two colours, which I like to see. I hate it when palettes put two colours in that basically you could swap one for the other. It doesn't make any difference to your look. Such a waste of space, especially in these kind of small palettes. But even in a big palette, I don't think they should do that. Look at that. That's so beautiful. Okay, now I have to decide on which shimmer I want to do. Here's the shimmers. They're so pretty. Look at those. As usual, I've swatched them in an awkward place. Hang on, let me do that again. Oh, that one's so nice. That was Citron, that one. You know what this palette reminds me of? It reminds me of a souped up version of the highlighter that I brought from I Heart Revolution that I absolutely love. Highlighters, that's the highlighter there. It's a bit more pinky, but I get those kind of vibes. Look at my fingers from the highlighter. That is the peachy pink kisses. Alright, so stop talking about highlighter. And I think I'm going to start off with this one here, which is Double Scoop. Because it goes so well with those oranges. Look at that. Perfect. Oh, I love a nice orange shimmer. That's so pretty. So far, using the red one and this one, I love these palettes. I'm so glad I bought these. And then, so love this colour, but I think I'm going to go into this one because I want something a bit deeper. So I'm going to go into Tangy. Might save Citron for another time. It's basically the same look but using oranges that I did with the red one, but I'm just playing with the colours. It's my first impression. Seeing what we're doing, how the colours work. Oh, and yesterday with the red one, let me just take it out of the sleeve and show you. These bright red colours that I used, no staining on my eyes at all. So that was great. Oh, that's so pretty. I love this palette. Okay, I'm gonna go into Yum. This one here. I bet you can guess where I'm gonna put that. Did you guess? So effortless. I'm gonna put that under here as well. Blend that out with my finger. And I'm going to use some brown liner. And then I'm going to go into Chocolate Drizzle here. Now this palette doesn't go particularly dark, so it might be one of those ones where you think, I want something darker. But this is a beautiful shade, but it's not very dark. Because I've got the dark brown liner underneath, that'll help. But I have plenty of dark browns and things that I could use with this, so it's not really a problem. I'll go back into Yum. That's so pretty. So pretty. And a tight line. Right, I'm going to do the rest of my face and then I'll come back. And there is my orange look with the orange Sorbet BH Cosmetics Sweet Shoppe palette. And I love these colours. Now I'm going to do some little swatches to compare, because I feel like there could be some similar. So this is Colourpop, this is BH Cosmetics. Let's have a look. Well, maybe they're not as the same. And so there isn't anything like Zested. There's Zested. There isn't anything like that in there. The ones that I think could be similar is like Squeeze Me and Citron. So that's Squeeze Me, that's Citron. So well, no, they do look different. They're similar, but they're different. Let me show you. So this one is the Colourpop one from Squeeze Me, and this one is Citron, which is a lot pinker. It's got a pinky base with that orange flip, so that is quite different. The other one I want to try out is Tangerine in the BH Cosmetics and Sunkissed in Colourpop. So those two look similar. So do the Colourpop one first. is the Colourpop one, and that's the BH Cosmetics one. The Colourpop one is a slightly darker, richer colour than this one, but I think on the eyes you wouldn't be able to tell the difference, so those ones are the same. The other one I want to try is, I think we'll try Double Scoop here with Tangerine Dreams. So that's Double Scoop. It's Tangerine Dreams. That's Colourpop, and that's BH Cosmetics. And they're different too. So this one is Colourpop, and this one is BH Cosmetics. There. So this one is more like this one from the BH Cosmetics. The matte, the Colourpop Tangerine Dreams is more like a shimmer version of that one, whereas this one again has a pinkier base to it. The other one I want to try out is Mimosa Mammy, or Mammy. So that's the Colourpop one, and I think extra toppings. I think this one's going to be a lot darker. Yeah, it is a lot darker. And I also do Zested just to have a look, but no, Zested's nowhere near it. So I'll do the Colourpop one. And extra toppings. Yeah, so can you see that? So the Colourpop one is lighter, and the BH Cosmetics ones is a bit redder. So I think when you blended those out, they would look different. The Colourpop one would look more orange, and the other one would look a bit more pinky. And I don't think these ones are going to be the same, but I'm going to try them out. I'm going to do Chocolate Drizzle and You Peel Me. So just wipe my fingers. So You Peel Me and Chocolate Drizzle. So those are quite different colours. So that's the BH Cosmetics one. No, that's the Colourpop one is the darker one, and BH Cosmetics is the lighter one. Where am I going to swatch this one? I did them run the wrong way. So this is the Colourpop one, and this is the BH Cosmetics one. So the Colourpop one is just a bit deeper and richer, so you can get a slightly deeper look. So it's comparing, and yes, you could get similar looks with both of them, but I'm really happy to have both. These are the only ones I think that could be interchangeable. The other ones are just different enough. I think they would make a difference on the eyes. So that was interesting. So I had fun playing with my orange sorbet palette, and tomorrow I'll play with something else. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. And if I don't see you before Christmas, then Merry Christmas.